good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going over Matic. We're currently up 4% as well as Ethereum. We're sitting at $1.53. We're sitting at a market cap 11.63 billion. 24-hour volume 1.05 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So a little bit of news here, guys. Draftkings joins Polygon blockchain as a validator. Draftkings has launched a validator on the Polygon blockchain. The firm partnered crypto infrastructure provides zero hash to run its node. Thanks to its lower transaction fees and proof of stake design, Polygon is one of the most popular alternatives to Ethereum. So as many of you know, Draftkings is one of the largest, I think it is the largest online sports betting website. So that's pretty cool that they're integrated here with Polygon. So Draftkings is running a validator on the Polygon blockchain. Fantasy sports and betting company Draftkings has joined the Polygon blockchain as a validator and node operator. Draftkings is not new to Polygon, as they've used the blockchain platform to launch an NFT marketplace called Draftkings Marketplace. So far, the marketplace has released 116 NFT collections and grossed 44 million in sales revenue. That's absolutely insane. Polygon, a proof of stake blockchain compatible with Ethereum, has emerged as one of the most popular alternatives for users who want to avoid Ethereum's high transaction fees. So I do believe if there's any project that is going to flip Ethereum, it's going to be Polygon. So many major companies are now partnered with the network, and it's only continuing to grow, as you can see here. Just a little funny article. Maybe you guys remember LimeWire. Music sharing service LimeWire is back as an NFT marketplace. I think that's absolutely hilarious. How did they not go out of business? All right, let's pop over to the analysis. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So far, we've had 5 entries with our break even sitting at $1.72. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. Dollar cost averaging into our trades. So I've noticed a beautiful symmetrical wedge here, and you can see here we're starting to squeeze within this pattern. So the breakout is coming. I would expect it to break out by at least about March 13th here, which is not too far away. What's the date today? March 9th. So just a few days. If we don't break out here, what can happen is we come up, we hit resistance, support, and then we finally break out either to the upside or to the downside. It's a bit of a neutral pattern here, but I will give you your measurement. You measure the body, take it to your point of breakout. So it could take Matic all the way up here to about $2.06. If it does break out to the upside with confirmation, if it breaks down, you're coming back down to our next buy zone at $1.07. So I would say within the next week or so, you're going to see a beautiful breakout one way or the other for our friend Matic. We have trended all the way back up towards the top section on the money flow. And as you can see here, that is usually when you see some pullback, you see a move back down, either that or you see consolidation if it's strong enough before pushing higher. Let's quickly look at the 1-hour time frame, see what we can see. Yeah, we're trending towards overbought once again. So if we do push up a little higher here, I definitely would expect us to find resistance at about $1.58, which is the descending trend line of this symmetrical triangle. We're going to pop over to our next chart on the daily. We broke out of this large ascending channel or rising wedge. As we've been covering for quite a while now on the channel, we do have that beautiful bullish divergence, lower lows, higher lows. Bears are running out of strength on the daily. That's exactly what you want to see for a massive breakout back to the upside. We're starting to put in a beautiful double bottom pattern here. As you can see here, we came down, we created a bottom, and we've created a second bottom. So if we can come up and break this neckline, which is coming in here. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Coming in at about $1.65. You can measure it from the bottom of your pattern to the neckline, take it to your point of breakout, and it could take Matic all the way up here to about $2 if that breakout does happen. So do keep an eye on about $1.63 major level of resistance. So let's quickly look at Ethereum. Here we are on the 4-hour time frame, continuing to stay within this descending channel. I have noticed that symmetrical wedge for Ethereum as well, and you can see we're squeezing into the apex, so we can measure the body of this pattern as well. Take it to your point of breakout. If we break out right around here to the upside, huge breakout back to the upside for ETH, all the way up to 4,000. If it does break down, I think it's less likely that we break down. Let me quickly pop open the money flow here. So you can see we are trending towards overbought. We still have a little bit of room to come up, we could definitely come up and test this level of resistance about 2843. If we can break above it, guys, we can hold that as support. We could see a massive push back to the upside, but if we get rejected, we'll continue to consolidate within this pattern. We'll quickly look at the 1 hour time frame, see how we're looking. Yeah, we're quite overbought, guys. So what we want to see is just a little bit of consolidation before pushing up higher. However, if we do roll over, we do have a strong level of support here. Let me drop it in. Coming in at about 2455. Support here, support right here, support in this area as well. Let me pop it over to the daily really quickly here. As you can see here, previous support and resistance in this area as well. So that could act as a strong level of support if we do see a little bit of rollover for our friend ETH. If we look at the Ethereum long positions, beautiful increase since about February 13th, February 12th. We've seen a beautiful increase in the long positions. And just a little bit of indecisiveness right now. If we look at the short positions, they have been dropping significantly, guys, over the last month or so, since about February 24th. The shorts have been dropping out massively, so that's why I'm a little bit more biased towards a breakout to the upside. And it's about time, in my opinion, but of course, anything can happen. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. So do watch this level of resistance. Let me give it a little price tag. From this symmetrical wedge coming in about $1.57, if we can break above it and come out and break this high, we could see a massive push back to the upside. And as I had measured the breakout here, I'll measure it once again. If it does break out, it could take you all the way back up to about $2.18. So 157 is your major level to break, guys. If it does get rejected, I would expect this to come back down to this level of support, coming in at about 144. And it needs to hold if we are going to see continuation to the upside and come up and break out. But if we do lose that level of support, then we do have support coming in. Might have a little bit of a bear trap coming in at about $1.36. Support in this area, support right here as well. And then your next major level of support is coming in at about $1.25. for Matic. I think that's basically it for this one. If we can get back above the golden ratio at $1.72, higher likelihood you come back up to where you started at about 208, and then come all the way up to the golden ratio, or sorry, to the 1.618, coming in at about 287 for Matic. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The DCA trade strategy fully explained. The DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buying take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your positions, or if you're looking for entries and exits based off support, resistance, Fibonacci. 350 USD price of a coffee, you really can't beat it. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love, take care.